Ano yan?
Cheesy ramen.
We're waiting for our turn to go on plane. While I'm waiting for my husband because he's pooping. We decided to go 3 to 4 places at home. That will be from Manila to Cebu, and then Cebu to Bohol, and then from Bohol we go back to Cebu, and then Cebu to Siargao. So, tapos na po siya ng CR.
Success.
Success.
So cheesy.
Success sa amin dalawa.
After cheesy ramen, Oreo cheesecake, milk tea,
And cheesy graham leche, and a cheesy companion.
you know how it smells.
Let's go.
Cheesy. Dali pang pilit mo.
Oo nga. So, ayaw pa po yung pumila. Later.
So, anong gagawin natin dito?
Wala, bumabag yun. Di kakain.
Kakain lang.
Kahit sa inyo yun eh. Maraming tubig doon na dinaanan. Okay, so we're in Bohol.
We exit this way.
We exit this way. We just rode a ferry.
Ay, ako ma. So ito lang yung pinuntahan natin dito talaga, no? Pagkain. Oh my god. Seafood. Seafood kare-kare. Seafood babi.
Hi, driver. Oh shit! Fuck! Lord, for the sun!
Ayun na!
May heels na!
Hindi na sa chocolate green na.
Where? Nag-chocolate green! Ayun na sila! Nag-go na heels. My speedy driver.
Choco.
Umaraw na.
Umaraw na. Tawa ka.
Na.
Chocolate pills, yeah. Oh my god.
Yo, we're in Bohol, yo. Bring the chocolate here. Dad, alam ko na yan. It's my love. Doing his thing. How is it?
Coming home.
Yeah, going back to Cebu.
Bye-bye.
No, ayaw.
Ayaw.
Oh, yeah.
Bata.
Ayaw, no.
Ayaw ng bata. Ito yung may mga lamansari. Di ba? O, di ba? Tulad ng mga
Wala yung tubig dito, no?
Bakit kaya green? Emerald. Daming tao, oh. Dating face na ito.
Nagdadate ko rin.
Hanggang ano, exercise mo ito buong taon?
Ilang beses mo itong binagawa?
Alright, so actually merong zipline na shortcut pababa. Papunta sa may jump off.
Oh, the next off.
Pero
First jump off.
naglalakad kami kasi
Basta. Basta. Bakit ba? Hindi, para mainis namin yung mga nakain namin sandamakbak kagabi sa IT Park.
Tapos yung lechon na isang araw. Tapos yung ano sa Bohol. Yung kare-kare sa Bohol. Basta! Talikod. Hindi masakit. Yan. Ready, 1, 2, 3, Okay. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Talikod. Straight lang, straight. Taas mo sir, taas mo. Okay, slow mo. Taas. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go! Busing! Diam lang! Hawak lang ma'am, hawak lang. Tapos upo ka lang ha, huwag kang tumalon. Sige ma'am, ready! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hawak!
dyan. Thank you. Ayan, kawasan po. Yo! Natapos namin yung canyoneering, man. Thanks, Kuya Ralph. Kuya, hello! Yes. Eh, ito pa. Ayan na yung falls. Ayan yung falls.
Wina.
Eat here.
Tayo. Basta out of into the unknown kami ngayon. Ito ang incredible view natin. Let's go.
Ay, good morning. Good morning. It's 5:30 in the morning.
So, nakalimutan ko to eh.
Ang kami ang bani. Whale shark.
Meron shark?
Yeah, we're gonna go with the whale shark. So, masakit na ang aking katawan from canyoneering yesterday. Hindi ko alam kung paano survive. Pero, nakaka-survive ako with this. Exciting. Siyempre, as always.
Siyempre.
With the whale shark and the one who floated. Ayan, we're in Oslob. We're just with the whale shark. Yes.
Later we're going to...
Nakakila pa sila, ang dami nag-aantay. And later we're going to... Bye-bye. See you in Siargao.
And we're west.
Beach! Cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish that we're here but you're not. Yo! Those are the ones that we lost on the way. Those are dreams bring back over.
Bye-bye. Ano na?
Wala, nakatabi.
Ano na?
Being a friend.
There we go, baby. Go. May nagpipigil na. May nagpipigil na.
Small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? Yes! Love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave. No say with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave.
So we are here at
I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around?
right here.
How can I let you let me down, down, down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost when you came and took it all.
Okay natin ng Siargao. Ngayon pa ulit.
Breakfast then
Shopping.
shopping.
Ano kami gas? Maghanap din namin ng gas. Kailangan mo namin pakainin doon sa kaya namin bago yung mga tiyan namin.
Emotions can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up.
Glenn Kyle's favorite places. The one with many coconuts. Yo, love. How are you doing? Good with the coconuts, Emmy.
Ano pala? Ano pangalan mo?
Name mo da, name. Name mo dai. Ano?
Sana. Ba't ka may, ano to, doggy?
Fish?
Eh, hindi yan fish o dog.
Fish?
Dog.
Fish eh.
Kiss ng dog. Hi. Babay ka na din, Dad. Ako din.
Bye-bye!